This 5-star seafood dish comes together in just 20 minutes.
Delicious flaky cod with a lemon butter sauce to die for.
Even your pickiest of eaters will love every single bite.
They will. I'm a picky eater sometimes.
When it comes to seafood,
yes,
you are.
And this is delicious.
It is to die for. So, all right, let's get going. We've got a nice large skillet here. Non-stick works really well. This is 2 tablespoons of olive oil that I've got in here that I've heated over medium heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Okay, now while this is melting, let's get these fillets.
So we're going to put a little breading on it, just a light breading. I've got a 1/4 cup of flour here, and I've got a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of oregano. And
Delicious.
I'm just going to put them in here.
And right here, while you're doing that, we've got our cod. These are 4-ounce fillets. And the great thing about this dish
that one's
is
a little bigger, I think.
they're approximately 4 ounces. The great thing about this dish is that its cod is inexpensive.
Yes.
It's not fishy tasting.
Right.
It's what's
That's why I love it.
It's commonly used in fish and chips. But you can use any kind of flaky fillet of fish that you want. But a cod is just so wonderful.
So good.
And what we're doing is we are salting and we're seasoning each side with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
Yes.
Okay, now
I'm gonna put these in here. Just get them a little floury.
nice and coated.
Yeah.
This is just gonna give a nice little bit of a crunch exterior to it.
Yes. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold. All right, look at that. There you go. So
I love this.
Not much at all. Not much at all.
Just want to get it nicely coated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. I think this one needs a little more on its.
Yep. You want to get it fully coated.
Yes. Fully coated. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. I think we're ready.
Now we've got my butter is melted. Now if you want to bring that over here, and we're just going to place them in there.
Yep. Just make sure I'm getting them all over the place.
Don't overcrowd your pan. And then we're going to let them just sort of hang out. I'm not going to move them around much.
Don't move them.
I know, don't move. And they do not take long. There's so many reasons to love this dish because it's fast, it's inexpensive, it's relatively healthy.
It's got a lot
of butter.
Anything with a lemon butter sauce
is going to be to die for, I know. And it comes together in minutes. So we're going to let this go until it gets nice and brown.
Chris,
on
don't move it.
On the bottom side. You can move it a little bit, I said. And then we're going to flip it and let it go for another 4 minutes, make that sauce, and then we're going to be eating before we know it. Aren't these beautiful?
Oh.
So these went about 4 minutes per side. I've, very carefully, I got 2 spatulas here to help me flip them over.
Yes.
And you see how that flour just kind of helps them brown nicely?
Yeah.
Oh, and the smell is just so heavenly.
Here's the big one.
Okay, here comes the big one.
Slide it in there.
Okay, so now we're going to just...
Look at that.
This sauce
That's
comes
a lovely
together.
color, sorry.
It is. Comes together very quick. It's a butter sauce, so we're adding more butter, okay? We've got another 4 tablespoons here, so it's a total of 6 tablespoons, but this makes it so luxurious and so heavenly.
You said you could use other fish for this, yeah?
Yeah, you can use whatever flaky fish. You can use halibut, you can use haddock, you can use swordfish would be good. You could use salmon, you name it, whatever you've got on hand.
Wow. Pork chops.
I don't know. You were saying that earlier. Pork chops would be interesting. Now I just added 2 teaspoons of
get it nice
garlic.
And toasted. There you go.
Garlic in here. It's gonna. The flavor of this sauce is just to die for. Okay, and now
love it.
we're gonna add some lemon slices.
There we go.
It's fun. I'm gonna put in a 1/4 cup of white wine. If you don't want to cook with wine, you can just replace it with seafood stock or chicken stock. Then I've got the juice of 1 lemon.
This is so good, you guys.
The flavor of this is just off the charts delicious.
Look at that.
Yeah, and like I said, it comes together so fast. I mean, we're basically about ready to eat. And then I've got a little bit of the zest of 1 lemon.
Awesome.
1 teaspoon. We're gonna
It really brings that lemon forward.
Really shines bright, like a diamond. And then we've got just a pinch of salt. That's probably, you don't need a whole lot. And we're just gonna now just let this cook for maybe another 2 minutes, and then we're ready to eat. You guys, if we just had smell-o-vision, I mean, if you could smell the sauce, look at that, isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. And
I'm telling you, on anything, it'll be delicious on anything.
well, you're right.
Oh, look at that. Oh, you gave me the nice big fillet. I don't think I need 2.
No, I mean, these are nice sized fillets. I mean, you know, this easily feeds a family of 4. Okay,
let's get
bringing in the
sauce on here.
Give you one of this fun little lemon just because it's
Come on, here we go. Oh, yay, that's great.
And now I'm going to scoop up some sauce.
I'll take all of it, please. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then. All right, and then we need
a little green.
A little green. I've done this also with capers. You could put some capers. Oh, that'd be delicious. Then it's kind of like a piccata.
Yeah, like a chicken piccata. Totally. Okay.
Totally. Okay, now I'm gonna give myself some fish.
There we go.
Delish.
Oh, sorry, you gotta get yourself some sauce.
I gotta get the sauce.
Get the sauce.
I know.
Chris.
I know.
Unbelievable.
We didn't mention, we're serving this over orzo.
Oh, yeah.
Which is really, it's so great. You could serve this over any kind of pasta. You could serve it over steamed rice. You could serve it with just some steamed vegetables.
Ooh,
but right now we are digging in.
Yes, let's do it.
You don't even need a knife for this.
Oh, wow.
It's just so tender.
Oh. Okay, look at that. Wow. It's so
tender and flaky. And
I want everybody to see this flakiness. Oh, wow. Okay.
I love cod. I mean, it's, you know.
Oh, I'm dying. All right, let's do this. You've lost your cod.
It's cod forsaken. Okay, come on, let's eat.
Hold on. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious. That is heavenly. I love the little kind of crispy exterior and then the flakiness of the cod and that butter.
The lemon comes out, but the butter is there too. Oh. And I like the garlic in there too.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Oh.
That is a flavor sensation.
It's fish, and I can't believe I'm going to say this. It's 1,000,000% Luna proof. It's fish.
It's fish. It is good tasting fish.
It is really good, y'all, and it's affordable.
It is affordable. It's quick. It's easy. Have we sold you? You need to make this because you're gonna love it.
Yes.
All right.
Make it, and then eat it.
And then eat it. We love you guys. Make cod. It's a good thing.
It is.
All right. Bye, everybody.